Hello, today we will guide you through how to download a Zoom recording. To begin, open Zoom in your web browser and go to the Zoom homepage. This is the main account area where you can manage your meetings, settings, and recordings. If you are not already signed in, complete the sign-in process so you can access your personal recording library. Once you are on the home screen, take a moment to make sure the page has fully loaded before moving on. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Recordings. This section is where Zoom stores and organizes recordings connected to your account. Depending on your setup, you may see different recording categories, so it helps to pay close attention to the labels in this area. After that, click on Computer Recordings. This option shows recordings that are stored locally rather than in the cloud. In other words, these are recordings associated with your computer-based Zoom content. If you have several recordings listed, you may want to pause for a second and scan the available titles or dates so you choose the correct file. Once you are in the computer recording section, select the recording you want to download. In this example, choose the sample recording. Clicking the recording will open its details and reveal the actions available for that file. Be sure you select the correct recording before continuing, especially if you have multiple sessions saved with similar names. Finally, click on Export and then follow the on-screen procedure. Zoom may prompt you with a few options depending on the type of recording and where it is being saved. Read each prompt carefully, choose your preferred save location if asked, and allow the export to finish completely before closing the window. This is important because interrupting the process too early can cause the file not to save correctly. If the export takes a little time, that is normal, especially for longer recordings. Once it is complete, you can check the save file in the destination folder selected during the export process. From there, your recording will be ready for playback, sharing, or storage. That's all there is to it. By going to the Zoom homepage, opening Recordings, choosing Computer Recordings, selecting your recording, and exporting it, you can quickly download the Zoom recording you need.